Hello there. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why most people's Facebook ads don't work. We've heard it all the time. People complaining to us, I've run some Facebook ads, but it doesn't work. I wasted my money. There is a secret to this that very few people know. In fact, only people who are good at digital marketing and Facebook ads know about it. But it seems to be quite a bit of it seems to be a secret because a lot of people don't know about it. So I'm going to explain to you this secret that can help you save money the next time you run ads. In fact, this is how you do it right. And I'm going to demonstrate this using spoons. And this is how it works. The thing about what is commonly done with a lot of people when they run Facebook ads is they put a little budget, like maybe 5 ringgit a day, and then they run the duration for 7 days. The thing, that is exactly how you lose all your money. Basically, Facebook needs 7 days to just learn where your target audience is, or where is the part of your geographical location that you have chosen in your Facebook ads. They will go around. So imagine if this is the map of Malaysia, and if you have chosen Kuala Lumpur. Now what Facebook has to do is they will have to go all around the area and see if there is anybody here. So if you see the map of Malaysia like the sea, and your target audience are the fish, right? So they'll have to go here for a while and spend a day and see if they can catch any fish here. And if they can't, they will go to some other location the next day and see if they can catch any fish over here. They might catch 1 or 2, but they may not be happy with it because they want to get more. They want to help us out. So they will go to some other location. So basically, in the first 7 days, they're just going to travel around and see where they can get the most amount of fish. And this is the second part that people make a mistake. If you look at these spoons as your budget, this is your $5 ringgit budget per day, small. And imagine if you put a 50 ringgit budget a day, it's a lot bigger. So Facebook is going around with this small spoon to each location and saying, oh, did I get any fish here? No fish. But the fish could be just outside here, but your budget is too small. But if you had a bigger budget, you could have caught that little fish on this side, which you would not have caught over here, you see? So that's the important part about budgets and duration. So I've simplified this so that you can understand it in a more visual and creative way. But this is the most important part that makes a lot of people lose their Facebook advertising money. So the next time you run it, this is what I'll propose. Budget is between 20 to 50 ringgit. Especially if you're a small or medium-sized company, the most important thing before you run ads is don't think I have 200 ringgit and let me see how much I can make out of ads. No, you will have to put aside between 2,000 to 5,000 ringgit. That's just to give Facebook, right? If you're using designers to create ads and all that, that's a separate cost. In my course, our School of Digital Advertising, we run copywriting and content writing courses. In our copywriting course, we also teach you how to design ads. So if you attended our course, you won't need to use a designer service, and we'll teach you the A to Z of creating ads and how to write your ads correctly. So now, coming back to your Facebook ads, allocate between 2,000 to 5,000 ringgit and run your ads for a duration of 30 days. Obviously, after the 15th to 20th day, if you get absolutely zero traction, zero sales, then you could stop it to evaluate what's wrong. Check whether your copy is right, check whether your visuals is right. In my classes, I also teach students on how to design ads. And we recommend showing your product in use. And I would also recommend using a human being in it. Because we as humans, we always are attracted to other human beings. So putting a human being in your ad is going to always work better than just static products, lifeless products. That's one of the things I teach in my class as well. So there you have it, why Facebook ads don't work for a lot of people and what you can do about it to get it right. So essentially, let's recap. It is the duration and the budget. Run your ads for 30 days, have a budget of 20 to 50 ringgit at least, and then monitor it over the 30-day period, and then decide for the following month. If you're getting sales, if you're covering your advertising costs, then surely you would want to extend your duration. I hope this was helpful for you. My name is Joy Nandy. I'm the founder of the School of Digital Advertising, and we have a popular course called Copywriting and Content Writing. You can find our details of the course on our website www.schoolofdigitaladvertising.com. Have a great day and thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.